Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Wolf and the Bear. A moral story: you cannot get loyalty by scaring people. Once, an arrogant wolf killed a bear. Many animals saw the killing. The wolf threatened all the animals, "If you say anything in front of the Lion King, I will kill you just like I killed the bear." The bear was a close friend of the lion. When the lion found out about the bear's death, he called all the animals and asked if anyone knew how he died. The deer said, "The wolf snatched honey from the bear and ran." The wolf grinned at the deer. Then, the hawk came and said, "When the bear ran to take his honey back, the wolf threw him on the ground." The wolf was surprised by the animal's courage. Finally, the sparrow said, "Then I saw the wolf kill the bear." The lion was extremely angry and ordered that the wolf be kept away from all the other animals and be severely punished.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.